So today guys, we're going to be fitting an exhaust on the MR2. This thing is quieter than the kids that went to the Neverland ride.
Here I come.
Oh! So we need to do something about it. So Malian have sent us a bumper exhaust, which will be coming out of here. It is going to be loud, I think. Nobody knows because there's no videos and there's no installation guide. So I have no idea how this is going to go. So let's go fit it. It is early still. I think it's like 9 o'clock in the morning, which is early for me for a Saturday. It's quite nice out here, isn't it? Got the fields. A couple of farmers come past. Got the MR2. Let's try and do a flyby without getting robbed and someone stealing the phone. Sounds like a bomb's about to go off. We'll pretend we're filming fields, so it's less embarrassing. So we have the exhaust here from Malian, so it's a, if you want to buy it. So this is the rear bumper support box and then the tailpipes. It should come out here. We're going to cut all this out, so it's all going to be open at the back. Get rid of this little pea shooter here. But first, got to try and work out how to get this all apart. Camera now. If anyone interested, I'd get this off. It's not off yet, so don't. Lights out, which is that and that. Pull the light out, disconnect it. There's one here, both 10 mils. In the wheel arch, there's a 10 mil up here. Clip, 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 clip. Same again this side. There's supposed to be underneath. I think this is all supposed to be attached. Look at this overspray. And there's supposed to be some clips here by the look of it, but they've gone, so it's all quick release. I have some gash looking wiring for lights. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I don't know if they're going to come out. Might have to put some plugs on them in a minute. This should come off now. There we go, it's off. So I've got all this crap to take off. This bumper support's got to come off. Heat shield, these crusty jugglers, and then we can get to the exhaust. Fragile, amazing. Look at that, you'll still see this bad boy. Oh look, we've got a, hey ya. This is a rude boy we're taking out. Look at the size of this thing. It's like the size of my house. So, comes out the cat up here, through here, just, and then back out down it. So we'll get rid of all that crap. I might need a jack stand. I think this is all going to fall out if I take it off. Let's get this off. See what we're working with. Look at that bad boy. Right. So it's only taken about 15 minutes to get all this off, it's not too bad. You can see the U-manifold looking alright still. Might give all this a clean out before I start having a look. Someone's taped the connect together for that, so I didn't take that out. Got a jack. Stopping that dropping. Cool. Let's take a look at what come out. So all that's quite heavy. Look at the size difference on that box. that would be quite cool. So that replaces this. I'm still talking and we're filming on here, so this will be interesting. And here we're going to cut out down here. All this is going down here, so you'll be able to see it all. So it should look pretty cool. So, it's all clean. Look at that. Four. Gonna heat right that while I've got the chance. Yeah. Let's take that out before I forget. So, the cat is now heat wrapped. It looks a bit shit. It's not the best job ever, but it's better than it did. Just take that out before I forget. This is all dryish. So, I'm just going to cut the bumper. And then, we're ready to put the exhaust on. So, got to cut this out now. Got them out, they just pop out. The world's tiniest hacksaw. And yeah. Our bumper is cut. Oh yeah. So the exhaust is on. Looks sick. I didn't have a new nut and bolt for that, so I've had to find one. Not sure if that was missing. But look at this thing. So the first issue is this. It doesn't fit on here. I can't work out if the holes are drilled straight or the holes just aren't big enough. So we're going to have to try and drill these out, but they look like hardened steel, so it's going to be quite interesting. So just got a bolt home. I wasn't going to fix the wiring, but we probably should. If I put this on bumper, I can just plug it in. So the reason we're changing it is that, I don't know if you can see, it's just all a bit nasty and cheap and shit. Right, so we have two new plugs on here, two mini looms. I've done the plugs different on each end, so I plug them into the bumper, and then you can't get them wrong when they plug on here. I'll cable tie these up out the way in the heat. We should be ready to get the bumper on. So, exhaust is done. It's very loud. Really loud. It's not too bad when you're cruising along, but like between 2 and 3 it's quite drony. But the rest of the time it's just very loud. I'll try and get some footage of it driving, but I'll just explain what we did. So the cat is all still there, it's all heat wrapped. Cleaned all the underside off. There's the motor. It's touching the bumper bar here slightly. I need to bend the brackets up. Cut the bumper out. Put the plate up there for the time being. Someone's parked just down there. I want to do a flight line, but they're parked just down there, so I'll have to see how this goes. But yeah, it's all looking good. Sweet. So, exhaust is fitted. I've already said that bit. Anyway, so done a little bit of it. I tried to do a little drive-by for you. It's not really working up here. There's too many people around. We'll give it a road test like this and you can see what you think. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad. But if you guys want to get yourself this exhaust, hit Malian up in the links. Also, PS, little note. If you just pop in the comments what you want me to do with the car, like what you want to see with the car, or any videos you want us to do, that would be cool too. Okay, bye! It does sound a bit like a Scooby when you're pulling away. The old phone fell on the floor. So yeah, sounds a bit like a Scooby when you accelerate them. It's alright when you're cruising, like now. But I don't know how much of this you can hear. I've had to put the windows up because it's quite windy today, but it also pops and bangs a lot. Fitted up alright. It's very light compared to the stock exhaust. Very small. It's probably about half the size of the box. It sounds ridiculous at high RPM. So once you get past 4, it just sounds ridiculous. I'm not entirely sure how well this will be for track use. I might have to take, so obviously the tips are V-banded on, I might have to take them off and put some bungs in them because it is really loud. But I'm super happy with it. It looks sick. Like the rear end now looks so good. I've got some plans for the front. I've possibly got a new bonnet and an engine lid coming from the guys up in Lincoln. Big shout out to them. They got me some bolts out overnight to do the wheel bearing, which because I brought them I didn't end up needing, but I have spares because last time it took me about 2.5 days to do a wheel bearing. Yeah, be interesting to see what you guys think of the car and what you think we should be doing with it. Ideas for videos. Like, subscribers are going up. I'm getting like 35 a day, which is good. hopefully this video will get a few more. Listen to it. Every time I drive through a town, everyone like turns around and looks at me. No worries, Chief. I hate when people don't say thank you. Cruising along is alright, it's just, I think it's between 3,000 and 4,000 RPM, it's quite drony. Like there. But, it is what it is. Man, I need a haircut. So I just wanted to end this video by saying I feel sorry for kids nowadays. Obviously you're never going to experience this sort of thing. I mean, this exhaust sounds like it's been bred between a dragon and a rabid dog. It's like you lift it off, it bangs, it burbles, and you're not going to get to experience any of that, and it sucks. So your dad's Tesla might be quicker, it might be more fun because you've got an iPad in the middle, but it's just a box. And it's not better for the environment, don't get me started on that, but you just got no soul. I mean, it makes me sad to think you miss out on the stuff that we did as kids. I know it's lame, like Macca's car park and going out drifting around and stuff, and flash maps on tunes, but you'll not get to experience the same stuff we did, and it's not that long ago. So I feel sorry for you guys, but you can watch videos like this and you can see what it was like to work on ship boxes, but anyway, like, subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. I'm sorry neighbours, this is very loud on cold start. Okay, thank you for watching, see you guys later.